Welcome to 5 Mantra Career Point. This is Dr. Riaz, Academic Director. In recent times, the Union Government, the Union Cabinet approved National Recruitment Agency. National Recruitment is an agency basically conduct a common examination for all the departments under central government. Previously, different department of central government like railway department, banking, ONGC, NTPC, so many departments conducted separate examinations. It is very difficult on the part of students to appear themselves to write all these departmental examinations in different manner. There were 22 departments conducted different type of examination. First time in the history of Indian recruitment service, central government has taken a step to conduct all the examination under one umbrella. From 2021 onwards, the students who are getting preparation for their competitive examination to get a job under central government, they have to write National Recruitment Agency, which is known as NRA. Friends, now you have a chance to write banking examination, railway recruitment examination, exams like ONGC, NTPC, and combined defense service examinations of base examinations under one examination. The name of that examination is National Recruitment Agency. 5 Mantra Career Point, a complete platform for competitive examination, is going to offer free classes for NRA examination. Under the view of this background, we are basically having an idea regarding a hypothesis of examination. We are feeling that the NRA syllabus has not released. We are going to hope that in 2021 beginning, we are going to get the basic syllabus of NRA. But as a subject experts, with the basically suggestions of senior faculty, tentatively we came to conclusion that the NRA examination is going to have under these subjects, because if you see the Railway Recruitment Board examination, banking examination, or NDA examination and other examinations, basically they have a common syllabus. So on the basis of that common syllabus, we are hypothesizing, we are guessing, we are imagining, and we are basically hoping that the examination is going under these 4 subjects, that are general studies, we can have 25% of the marks, English 25% of the marks, and quantitative aptitude 25% of the marks, and reasoning 25% of the marks. So tentatively we are just guessing it, but we hope the examination module which is going to announce in coming days is going to follow this. By having this vision, consulting with experts, in future within a few days our lectures are going to have as a series to explain regarding the 4 subjects, general studies as well as English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning. And senior faculty along with dynamic young faculty, we are going to offer free classes for NRA examination on the basis of this hypothesis. I request students, you have to subscribe 5 Mantra Career Point YouTube channel and get free classes from this platform. It is a complete platform for all competitive examination.